Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I brought my kitten inside to feed her. After she enjoyed her meal and played a little, I made egg and pala for my own lunch. Then I let the kitten and her little one go outside again. My cat was sitting outside upstairs, so I opened the door and brought her inside. My big cat was very hungry, but when I gave her a biscuit she did not eat it because she was in a bad mood. Then I mixed it with another biscuit and she ate it quickly.